your body on an orgasm. It may not feel like it, but most of the behind-the-scenes action of orgasm occurs in your head. The health benefits, though? They're wide. Here's what you might not know about the Big O. Eyes. Your pupils dilate, by up to 50% in some cases, and you can even experience a temporary improvement in vision. Brain. The amygdala and hippocampus, areas involved in fear and anxiety, relax as the parts of the brain involved in feeling and sensation take over. Activity in the lateral orbitofrontal cortex drops, causing your abilities to think logically and control yourself to take a break. Hormones. Natural production of dopamine is highest during orgasm, which is why we feel intense pleasure. A cascade of the hormone oxytocin, courtesy of the hypothalamus, helps to foster feelings of intimacy with your partner. Heart rate and blood pressure can double during orgasm to pump blood to your genitals and other muscles, while metabolism and temperature rise slightly. Skin. A release of endorphins and other chemicals can increase your pain threshold by 40 to 100%, while keeping the oh-so-important sensitivity to touch unimpaired. Your chest and cheeks become flushed as circulation increases. Pelvis. Various muscles, including those in the pelvic floor, uterus, vagina, and anus contract, causing the crashing waves of pleasure.